Thank you. I'm Andrew Buchanan. This is Andrew Teversham. Banks are under constant pressure to lend money to small businesses. But a lot of small businesses say there's no point applying for a loan as we'll be turned down anyway. And if we are, it'll affect our credit rating and potentially our relationship with our current lender. Banks, on the other hand, say, well, we try and lend to as many as we can, but not enough small businesses apply. And anyway, we're being told to lend more money, but at the same time, take less risk, a seemingly impossible task. We're going to show you how bank filing can help with both of these issues. What if a small business could see if they match a bank's lending criteria anonymously, without leaving a traceable footprint, even before they've decided whether they want to take out the loan or not? Let's see how that might look with bank filing. There are 3 easy steps: upload, pre-approval, and apply. Let's go to upload. All the small business needs is a up-to-date trial balance that they can download from their accounting package in Excel, or as you can see here, we've got all the online accounting packages as well as the non-online. We've got QuickBooks, Sage, SAP, etc. And we have connectors for all of those. So we pick one, and we press save and upload. And now it's extracting that trial balance directly from his accounting package. As soon as it's done that, it will come up, and the client can check, is this what I want? Is it correct? Do I need to make any amendments? And when he's happy, he can press save. When he presses save, bank filing extracts the key ratios from that trial balance, matches those to the bank's lending criteria, and as you can see here, he's successfully been pre-approved for up to a $202,000 loan. You'll see those graphs on the right-hand side. They show a little bit about his financial health. Had he been turned down, they would become even more important, as he'd be able to see where the issues were in his company, allowing him to go back and maybe improve things, and come back and anonymously apply at a later stage. The successful applicant can now decide what amount do I actually want to borrow, and he can press apply. Don't forget, at the moment, he's invisible to the bank. He fills in some basic information. This is part of a bank's standard lending process. Puts in username, password, and then we'll press submit. And at this point, he becomes visible to the bank. Gets a brief acknowledgement. And so now, if he looks in his email, he'll see an email from the bank, again acknowledging the application, but secondly asking for additional information. In this case, audited financial statements. With his new login, he can log into bank filing, and now he can go and search for that audited financial statement and automatically upload it. So he goes to search for it. In this case, it's a PDF. He finds it. He now adds in a small amount of additional information, checking the date of the document, checking what the document is, and whether it's a final or audited, in this case audited, and we'll press save. And for now, that's his job done. So we've shown a very easy way to encourage more small businesses to apply for loans. How can a bank then use bank filing to monitor the credit risk of that entire loan? Because as we know, banks that have less risk in their loan book can borrow money at cheaper rates. The client is now on his PC working away when a bubble pops up telling him that his monthly trial balance is now due. He can go in, he knows that last month's accounts have been finalised, and so he can press final and submit now. Again, automatically using the connector to extract the data from his accounting package, sending it onto the bank with bank filing. And off he goes, carries on with his day. Let's look at what the bank relationship manager can see. They too can log in to the system, and they see something a little bit different. This relationship manager might be looking after 10, 100, maybe up to 1,000 clients. So they see a dashboard that shows all of their client activity, upload statuses, right through to ratio compliance. But on the right-hand side, we see an upload notification. And we can go to the very last one there, which is JG Autos, and they can now log in, and as soon as they click there, they get a view of all the information they have about that client and some benchmarks against that client in their industry. They can go and look at that document, that audited financial statement, if they so choose, or they can go to reports and trends. And then here, they get a much more graphical, detailed view of the client's financial health. This may allow them to take decisions such as, I need a meeting with the client, I need a phone call. Possibly in extreme cases, we need to look at pulling in that loan, or in some cases, lending them more money. So what we've shown here is, we have shown a way of taking away the fear factor for a small business to apply for a business loan. And those that do apply are going to be of a higher quality because we already know an awful lot about their financial health due to the trial balance we've already uploaded. And secondly, we can allow the bank to check the credit risk on an ongoing basis because they can have a monthly update automatically with a digital pipe directly into the client's business into their accounting package. So if either or both of those are of interest for you, then please come and see us on the Luminous booth over to my right. And thank you very much.